This is a message transmitted at the request of the FAA. There is some disturbances in Decatur, home to one of the largest flour-producing factories in the world, and people seem to be infected. To avoid being infected, avoid eating flour-producing pudding, bread, pasta, cakes, cookies and many more. If you are infected, the symptoms are as following: coughing, slurred speech, not to be confused with strokes, muscle spasms, and mood changes. If you are infected, stay inside and lock yourself in a room for 6 weeks and destroy the key to the room you are in. Massive lethals are to be expected with such produce with flour. You must evacuate immediately. Stay safe, stay strong and stay healthy.